Hey there! Is your internet slower than a snail on your PC or laptop? Don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to speed it up with easy tips. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, let's go over some quick fixes. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Tip 1. Restart your router and PC laptop. Restarting clears temporary network issues. Rebooting refreshes your connection. Tip 2. Disconnect unnecessary devices. Fewer devices mean faster internet. Disconnect unused devices. Tip 3. Use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Wired connections are faster and more stable. Now let's move on to some software adjustments that can speed things up. Clear your browser's cache. Too much cache can slow down browsing. Clear it regularly. Disable background apps. Disable them to improve speed. Network optimization settings. Tweak your network settings for optimal performance. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers cause lag. Keep them updated. Change DNS settings. Faster DNS servers improve speed. Easy to set up. Segment 4. Advanced tips for techies. Feeling tech savvy? Try these tips. Tip 8. Enable quality of service (QoS) on your router. QoS prioritizes devices or activities, like streaming or gaming, for better speed. Tip 9. Use a VPN for better routing. A VPN can improve speed by bypassing congested networks or ISP throttling. Segment 5. Hardware upgrades and final thoughts. Lastly, let's talk hardware upgrades. Upgrade your router or add a Wi-Fi extender. Newer routers offer faster speeds and better range. You can also add a Wi-Fi extender to cover dead zones. And there you have it. With these steps, you can speed up your internet connection. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster internet connection.